The one's getting a bit choppy. You can compensate for it, or you can wait it out. But remember what I've taught you. Keep in mind variable humidity and wind speed along the body's flight path.
Hello there!
Hey, we gave him a chance. He was super.
Very nice. Hey guys, what's going on? Today, I'm back again at the abandoned hospital in Vicksburg, Mississippi for Operation Bone Strike 2. The gun I will be using is my new Polarstar F2 Mk48 build. Unfortunately, it's not complete, as I am still looking for the true barrel and gas block assembly. For the sake of this video, and to avoid triggering the entire internet, we can just call it a 249. In addition to using a new gun, the BBs I were using were high-powered Airsoft .40 Gram Bbs, which is a little bit heavier than I usually use. For this scenario, I was part of a small team that was tasked with starting on the roof. Our sole objective was to be as much of a pain in the ass as possible to the other team to prevent them from pushing up and capturing various objectives around the lower level of the AO. Hope you guys enjoy the video.
Good sportsman.
Don't shoot him right at the spawn. Give him like 25 feet.
Oh, you'll see it. There's a sign, there's a road sign to the left. Sign, and there's an orange line.
The time has come. Execute Order 66.
Yes, my lord.
Double kill, overkill, kill, prosecute, kill, catastrophe, kill, apocalypse, kill you there.
Now that's a lot of damage!
That's not really fair.
Good job, guys.
Double kill.
A lot of guys. A lot of guys.
Right, what do you got?
Nothing on the right. They're just pushing up right here in the middle.
Anything?
Yeah, they're in the trees. Hello there. This is pretty good. They kind of formed into like a little U-shaped pattern on the edge of the tree line. Man, if I had thermal optic, whew. Hello there. That was a very noble effort. Whoa, it's right there. Hello. Holy crap.
Double kill, triple kill, overkill.
I think they gave up. Oh, same story, different game. You can run.
Oh, you and me, that was fucked up. He walked into that. I know, I was like, this is a little
Double kill.
Don't worry, I will not let him get close. Hi. What are you doing? Oh. Oh. Sounds like they're on this corner. Sorry. How tragic would it be if my gun fell off the edge?
Yeah, don't even say that.
Not today.
Just use your sling, dudes.
Oh, see, there's a guy in the fucking door. Hello there. Oh, he's alive. Right there in the corner.
You dead?
He's dead. You can run, but you cannot hide.
We got you guys covered.
Hello there.
Alpha, did you get that guy?
Yeah. He ran, like, from the door. I made sure he stopped running.
Still close for missiles, Goose. I'm switching to guns.
Hello there. Yeah, there's like 3 of them. Ah, green gas. Hello there.
Double kill.
Hi.
You guys all right down there?
That was a pretty good throw.
Well played, sir.
Thank you, sir. Great job, guys. Yep. Wait for him to get out of the orange zone. Alright, wait for him to, like, stop playing with his gun. Alright, you ready? Hello there!
Hey, we gave him a chance. He was super.
Tango down.
Very nice.
Sorry.
I can't see your dad rag. That's mean.
That guy made the wrong decision.
Yeah. Very nice. High five.
A few moments later.
I'm afraid to like lean. Oh, we got guys on this roof?
Yeah,
that's OP.
He's got there right now.
Oh, hey girl. Hey girl.
Where are they shooting at? Where are they shooting into?
I'm just gonna fuck with them.
They're shooting into that room right there, huh?
Hey, where are you guys shooting?
That window with the broken glass. On the first floor.
Didn't look like he was getting shot at.
Over there? Oh. Hit.
No.
I'm bleeding.
Oh my god, I was fine.
Oh no, not the BBs. Tourniquet's right there.
Where's your thing? Oh my god. Oh, Jesus Christ.
It's just a face wound.
It's just a fucking flesh. God damn it. Come on. Fucking jeez.
Stop, tourniquet my neck.
Stop eating fucking
Quick.
edamame, man. Shit.
Not too tight.
Okay, it's not
That's too tight. That's gonna be.
And so I figured that'd be a good place to end the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next week.
down there. I would put that flag.
That's the elbow.
There you go.
That's what I get for trying to fuck with my teammates. I'll get shot in the face.
All right.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.